and taking a deep look at that. And then we started to build the website by basically taking the files we get from that IDPLR site and using that to basically copy their suggested website. And that's pretty much where we left off, I think. So we'll get back into that here. Before we start, I just want to see if there's any questions about how, where we've come over the last 3 weeks. Trying to keep specific to, you know, this topic, what we're talking about, before I go on. Anybody? Okay. All right, then I will go ahead and share my screen and we will get into it. Let's see, share screen.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build a raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, they came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builder Raw, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build a raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A builder raw rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builder raws for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is build a raw. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a builder raw rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.